Okay guys, if your car randomly won't start, but you know you've got battery power, turn the key on, all the lights work, everything like that, but just simply will not start and will not crank, you don't hear that starter motor working at all, come under the hood, sometimes under the vehicle, locate your starter motor. This one lives right down there. Go ahead and tap on that thing. Go ahead and knock, knock, knock. Knock some sense into it. Give her some pretty good wax. And come on back in the vehicle here. Give it another try. Oh, there we go. What do you know? She fires right up. So, won't work every time, but a lot of times your starter just gets sticky. So go ahead and give it some taps. Might save you in a pinch.